Hello, food lovers. Welcome to Khaana Origins, where we'll be taking you on a culinary journey around the world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating origins of some of the most beloved foods around the world. Get ready to uncover the history, the culture, and the passion behind the dishes that have captured hearts and stomachs for centuries. We'll be exploring the back streets of Naples, the bustling markets of Tokyo, and the sun-drenched plazas of Mexico City. Listen up, you donkey! Pizza, that glorious creation of dough, sauce, and cheese, traces its roots back to Naples, Italy. It wasn't some fancy Michelin-starred chef who put pizza on the map. It was a humble baker named Raffaele Esposito. This culinary genius is said to have created the first pizza margherita, named in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy. And let me tell you, the Queen knew good food when she tasted it. You think hamburgers are as American as apple pie? Think again, you muppet! The hamburger story begins in, of all places, Hamburg, Germany. It was a simple dish, a Hamburg steak. But when it crossed the Atlantic to the United States, it underwent a radical transformation. It got sandwiched between buns, layered with toppings, and boom. The hamburger, as we know and love it today, was born. Sushi, that artfully crafted delicacy, has a history as rich and nuanced as its flavor. Don't think for a minute it started with fancy chefs and Michelin stars. Early sushi, known as narazushi, was a far cry from the elegant rolls we enjoy today. It was a fermented fish dish, preserved with rice. Over time, the process evolved, the flavors refined, and sushi transformed into a global culinary phenomenon. You think those flaky, buttery croissants are as French as the Eiffel Tower? You're wrong. The croissant, believe it or not, originated in Austria. The story goes that it was created to celebrate a victory against the Ottomans who were besieging Vienna. The crescent shape of the pastry you see was a nod to the crescent moon on the Ottoman flag. A delicious way to thumb your nose at the enemy, wouldn't you say? Tacos, a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine, have a history that stretches back centuries, long before any Europeans set foot on the continent. Imagine, these little pockets of deliciousness were enjoyed by indigenous peoples long before the Spanish conquest. Over time, new ingredients and cooking techniques were introduced, but the heart of the taco, its soul, remained distinctly Mexican. From street food stalls to fine dining establishments, tacos continue to tantalize taste buds worldwide. Isn't it fascinating how these everyday delights have such rich histories? Each bite tells a story, a tale of cultural exchange, innovation, and the enduring human love affair with food. Keep exploring and tasting the stories behind your favorite dishes. There's a whole world of culinary adventures out there waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep your taste buds curious.